Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Things to see in a restaurant. Let's learn English.
Let's learn
more about
the things you see in a restaurant.
Here are
some
examples. People that work in a restaurant.
I am a manager. I manage the whole restaurant.
Manager.
I am a host. I greet and show people their seats or put them on a waiting list.
Host.
I am a waiter. I take customer orders and serving food and beverages.
Waiter.
I am a bus person. I clean used tables and arrange them after.
Bus person.
I am a chef. I cook dishes from the menu that a customer ordered.
Chef.
Places you can find in a restaurant.
Reception. Dining hall. Bar. Kitchen. Restroom.
Things that happen in a restaurant.
Host welcoming guests. People in mind. Waiter serving food. People eating. Chefs cooking. A man drinking wine. A woman ordering food. A family celebrating. Bus person cleaning tables. A staff washing dishes. Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Ready.
Choose the correct scene.
Number 1. A staff washing dishes. Or, host welcoming guests.
The correct answer is, host welcoming guests.
Number 2. People in line. Or, people eating.
The correct answer is, people in line.
Number 3. A family celebrating. Or, waiter serving food.
The correct answer is, waiter serving food.
Number 4. People eating. Or, bus person cleaning tables.
The correct answer is, people eating.
Number 5. Host welcoming guests. Or, chefs cooking.
The correct answer is, chefs cooking.
Number 6. A man drinking wine. Or, people eating.
The correct answer is, a man drinking wine.
Number 7. A woman ordering food. Or, waiter serving food.
The correct answer is, a woman ordering food.
Number 8. People in line. Or, a family celebrating.
The correct answer is, a family celebrating.
Number 9. Bus person cleaning tables. Or, chefs cooking.
The correct answer is bus person cleaning tables.
Number 10. A staff washing dishes. Or, waiter serving food.
The correct answer is a staff washing dishes.
Quiz number 2.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
U.
Ready.
Write the missing letters on each word.
Number 1. Entrance. Reception.
The missing letters are E and O. Reception.
Number 2. Dining hall.
The missing letters are N and H. Dining hall.
Number 3. Bar.
The missing letters are A and R. Bar.
Number 4. Kitchen.
The missing letters are H and N. Kitchen.
Number 5. Restroom.
The missing letters are T and O. Restroom.
Quiz number 3.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
U.
Ready.
Choose the correct worker.
Number 1. Someone who manages the whole restaurant.
The answer is manager.
Number 2. Someone who greet and show people their seats, or put them on a waiting list.
The answer is host.
Number 3. Someone who takes customer orders and serving food and beverages.
The answer is waiter.
Number 4. Someone who cleans used tables and arrange them after.
The answer is bus person.
Number 5. Someone who cooked dishes from the menu that a customer ordered.
The answer is chef.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.